This feature will allow staff members and business owners to organize the items in their online store how they see fit so they can order it to whatever works for their particular business. So to do this, what we want to do is just go to the app drawer, click there, go into setup, and then under store configuration, we just want to go to categories and layout. So once we're there, we can see all of our different categories. So for this example, I'm going to be working with passes and memberships category. So within this, we can see that there are these little 3 dots on each of the categories. So if I click there, we can see there are a few options. So the first option is copy direct by shortcut. The second one is selected by default in store. Then we have edit, so we can edit the category itself, or we could delete it. So just going back up to this one, which is selected by default in store. If I click this, it's going to give me a little blue star, which means that it's going to be selected by default in the store. So that is what's going to show when we go into the store, either as a staff member or as a client. So if I click within this category, we can see everything come up underneath of it. And then what we can also do is go over here to sort. Now, if I click that, it gives us a few options to sort by. So we can sort by date. Then the sort order can be newest on top or oldest on top. We can sort by name. Then we can use ascending or descending. We can sort by price, low to high or high to low. And then we can sort using the custom selection, which essentially lets you click, drag, and drop where you want things to be so you can order it however you see fit. So this is a really great functionality for businesses and staff to be able to order things and put them in a lineup that you feel is best for your store and the way that you want things to look for your store layout. So say that we're happy with this, what we can do is we can click on save. We'll get the confirmation pop up. We want to click continue, and then we'll have another confirmation at the top here. And then we can see what it looks like in our store. So if we could just go to store, we can see that passes and membership comes up by default because we did select that with that little blue star. And we can see that it is in the same order that we aligned it in using the custom method. And that's it.